In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cover song in Suno AI. We'll walk through the exact flow inside Suno, keep things simple, and highlight a few helpful tips so your cover sounds clean and intentional. First, head to Suno's Discover page. This is where you can browse trending tracks or search for something specific. Take a moment to play a few previews and think about what you want your cover to showcase, maybe a new mood, a different vocal feel, or a twist on the arrangement. When you find the track you want to work with, hover over it and click the three dots. That opens the quick actions you'll need. From that menu, choose Remix. Remix is the doorway into reimagining the song with Suno's tools. Inside the remix flow, switch to cover. The cover option tells Suno you want to reinterpret the song while keeping its core recognizable, focusing on new performance and style choices. Next, choose an audio option that fits your approach. You'll see modes like remix, inspo, mashup, or sample. Remix leans on the original as a guide. Inspo uses a reference track to nudge the vibe. Mashup blends elements for a hybrid feel. Sample focuses on a short clip or motif. If you're uploading or referencing audio, aim for clear, high-quality sources, trim out long silences, and keep the loudness consistent so Suno can analyze it cleanly. Now edit the lyrics. You can keep them as is or make thoughtful changes. If you adjust wording, try to preserve the flow. Matching syllable counts and line lengths helps Suno keep phrasing natural. Structure verses and choruses clearly, and avoid overly dense lines that might feel rushed. Also, be mindful of rights and platform policies when deciding what to include. Move on to style settings to give your cover its personality. Pick a genre and mood that match your vision. Maybe you shift a pop ballad into an indie acoustic, or push a mellow track into high-energy electronic. Consider tempo and intensity. A slightly slower pace can bring out emotion, while a tighter groove adds punch. If there's a vocal character or instrumentation you want emphasized, describe it succinctly. When everything looks good, click Create. Suno will process your choices and generate the cover. Give it a careful listen on headphones. If the vibe isn't quite right, tweak the lyrics for pacing, swap the audio mode, or refine the style prompt and create again. Small, focused adjustments can make a big difference. With a few passes, you'll land on a cover that feels fresh, cohesive, and uniquely yours.